Hey everyone, welcome to the PicoPixl channel. My name's Kelly. So this is our first video in our series that we're hopefully going to do, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be coding the website for PicoPixl.com, which is going to be a game community built around retro gaming, where hopefully everyone can go and have a good time playing games. So how we're going to be building this website is we're going to be doing it through AI. In this case, we're going to be using Claude.ai and maybe a little bit of ChatGPT. We'll see. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But yeah, the idea is we're going to try to build this website based off of AI coding, or sometimes we're calling it vibe coding now. The general idea here, though, is that I do not have a lot of experience doing development. I can do some sort of basic editing of code. If there's variables, I can change them and things like that. Basically just enough to be dangerous, but no way that I could build a fully functioning website on my own. So that's where the AI is going to come in. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with just the idea for the website. I'm going to feed it into the AI here, and then we're going to see what it can spit out. Hopefully we can get to a point where we have a website. The plan is that I'm going to put this up. I'm going to put it live, and it'll be a place where everyone watching this video or anyone else interested in the community can go. They can play these games that we're putting up for free. Don't plan to have any ads there. Maybe we'll do sponsorship later to help pay for the channel and pay for some of the server costs. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start things off, you can see right here I have a rough napkin sketch of what I want the site to look like, and I actually cheated here a bit. I gave a description to the AI, and I gave it a really rough drawing, even rougher than this, and said try to put something together that would be a good outline for what we'll feed into the AI, and try to have it build a site off of that. So yeah, I started with this sketch and it actually turned out pretty good. This is pretty close to what I originally had and what I sort of was thinking of in my head. So this is what I want the site to look like. So let's go ahead and go over to Cloud, and I've already loaded the image into here. We're going to put it up there and have it use that as a reference for building the site. And let's go ahead and put in a prompt here. Okay, so I typed up a prompt here. It's basically just a list of instructions that supports what was in that napkin design there. Just reinforces everything that was there, and hopefully it'll give it enough information to build something pretty nice here. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit that upload button, submit button, and see what it comes up with. Okay, and here it's going through and generating everything. It started with sort of the header data for the site. It's going through and building the CSS. This is pretty typical. You get to watch it live, go through everything. Usually does a pretty good job keeping things logically ordered. So you end up with the CSS information, HTML after that. If there's any scripting, it usually comes last. And then hopefully at the end of this, it'll bring up a preview of what the website looks like so we can take a look. Okay, and there we go. It took care of the website. As you can see, it did a pretty good job filling out some of the things here. We have the cards that we asked for the games. It even stuck some of the games that are going to be in there. Oh, look at that. It has a nice little floating animation as we go on top. It's a nice little affordance. So yeah, there's our social media links at the bottom. Threw in some quick links, description of the site. That's great. Looks like we have a navigation bar up here. I'm guessing this is maybe the light and dark theme. Beautiful. So yeah, that looks great. It's missing the icons here. I think that's probably just something that it's having trouble loading in the preview. I'll take a look at that. So, but yeah, all in all, I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. We'll see if I end up using this one or if I go with another one. But yeah, all in all, pretty good. So hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to put up a video for every single one of the games that I make. And then we'll put those on the website and load them up so that we can all start playing them together. So thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment. Let me know what games you would like to see, anything else you'd like to talk about. And then, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can watch more videos. And make sure to bookmark PicoPixl.com. We'll have some video games coming up there pretty soon. Thanks for watching.